Hello everyone! Let's learn how to turn photos into realistic pencil sketches in Photoshop. So, open your image in Photoshop. Right-click on the image layer and choose the duplicate layer option. Now, go to Image, Adjustment, and Invert. Change the blending mode of this layer to linear dodge. Create a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Here, reduce the saturation to -100. Select the middle layer. Now, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Here, adjust the slider until you get a desirable result. Hit OK. Let's add a background to this. Unlock this layer and then select all three layers. Right-click and choose Group from the Layers options. Hit OK. Now, drag and drop any paper texture into this file. Drag the texture layer below. Select the group and then change its blending mode to multiply. Select the paper texture layer and reduce its opacity to 90%. We are done here. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.